Hi students, 16th simplify third bit. 16th third bit I am doing. A to the power of minus 1 plus b to the power of minus 1 divided by a to the power of minus 2 minus b to the power of minus 2. The meaning of that is divided by a to the power of minus 1 plus b to the power of minus 1 divided by a to the power of minus 2 minus b to the power of minus 2. Able to follow? Now it is in the form of a power minus n. What is the formula for a power minus n? 1 by a power n. So this is the rule, laws of indices I am applying here. So that is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b. In the same in the denominator, 1 by a square minus 1 by b square. Addition of a fraction or subtraction of a fraction. This is numerator and this is denominator. How to add fraction? By the method of LCM. So I am taking LCM. What is the LCM? AB is the LCM. AB is the LCM. A goes B times. B ones are B plus B goes A times. A ones are A. So numerator completed. Come to denominator. A square B square LCM. This is also LCM method because subtraction. A square goes B square times. So B square into 1. 1 B square is B square. Minus B square goes A square times. 1 A square is A square. Numerator one fraction is there. Denominator another fraction is there. Numerator fraction as it is we are going to write. But denominator it becomes reciprocal. Are you able to follow reciprocal? You know, numerator becomes denominator. Denominator becomes numerator. Coming to here. That is equal to this fraction as it is you write b plus a by ab into reciprocal a square b square by b square minus a square. Reciprocal. Division changing into multiplication, otherwise that also you can think. Division changing into multiplication, reciprocal. Now b plus a we can't change anything. AB also we can't change anything. AB. But what is the meaning of a square b square? Means AB whole square we can write. AB whole square. Powers are same. Which formula means that is a power m into b power m is equal to ab whole power m. Mention those laws, formulas. This formula we are using. By it is in the form of b square minus a square means b plus a into b minus a. This formula we have learned. So it is in which formula means x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Formula, algebra formulas. Now why I have written like this means this b plus a get cancelled. And here what is the meaning of ab square? 2 times we can write. So 1 ab is cancelled. So what is remaining? AB by B minus A. That also simplify. We got that answer. AB by B minus A. Sixteenth problem again. Simplify fifth bit. A to the power of minus 1 into B to the power of minus 1 divided by a to the power of minus 1 plus b to the power of minus 1. Here into is there, here plus is there, we are going to divide. So the meaning of that is a power minus 1 into b power minus 1 divided by a to the power of minus 1 plus b to the power of minus 1. Which formula? A power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. Which one we are using? That you write, you have to mention compulsory. That is equal to 1 by a into 1 by b. Into is there, into 1 by a plus 1 by b. This is numerator, this is denominator. Keep in mind. Multiplication, directly we can multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Division means the division will change into multiplication, reciprocal. But for addition and subtraction, compulsory the method of LCM should be followed. Keep in mind. These are the 4 operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. For addition and subtraction, compulsory LCM method. For multiplication, division, multiplication directly numerator will multiply with numerator, denominator will multiply with denominator. And last division, you change into multiplication, reciprocal. Are you able to follow? So, now that is equal to 1 ones are 1 by a into b, ab. AB. Now coming to denominator, AB is LCM. AB is LCM. A goes B times, 1B is B, plus A goes in B, for B A times, A ones are A. Now, when our fraction is there in the denominator, it becomes a reciprocal. So, 1 by AB, numerator fraction as it is, you write. Denominator fraction, make it reciprocal, into AB by B plus A. If you write B plus A or A plus B also, no problem, commutative property, same one. Here AB goes in AB one time, 1 ones are 1. If you write in order, A plus B also, no problem. 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 1, answer same one. But for subtraction, it is not. B minus A means B minus A only, right? A minus B means A minus B only. Are you able to follow? So, this is the way of simplifying this problem. In 16th problem, simplify 7th bit. A plus B plus C divided by a to the power of minus 1 into b to the power of minus 1 plus b to the power of minus 1 into c to the power of minus 1 plus c to the power of minus 1 into a power minus 1. Now, that is equal to numerator as it is, a plus b plus c. Now I am changing. It is in the form of a power minus n is equal to 1 by a power n. That is equal to 1 by AB. If you want to write separately, want to write means write separately. Separately if you want to write. 1 by A into 1 by B. This is 1 plus 1 by B into 1 by C. This is second term. Third term, 1 by C into 1 by A. This is third term. Now, numerator as it is, A plus B plus C. 1 ones are, I told you, multiplication directly. 1 ones are 1, A into B, AB, 1 by AB plus 1 by BC plus 1 by CA. Are you able to follow? So, if you want, keep bracket because denominator. Again, numerator as it is. What is numerator? A plus B plus C. Now, 3 fractions you are adding and the LCM is A, B are seeing, B, C are seeing, CA. So, what will be the LCM means A, B, C will be the LCM. A, B, C. So, A, B how many times it goes? means C times it goes. C ones are C plus BC, how many times it goes? A times it goes. 1A is A plus CA. CA how many times goes? B times. 1B is B. So fraction is there in the denominator, reciprocal. So A plus B plus C as it is into reciprocal ABC by what? C plus A plus B. You can write as A plus B plus C, no problem. For addition, you can write in an order. So I am writing as A plus B plus C. Here A plus B plus C divided by both get cancelled. And what is remaining means, what is the answer means? ABC is the answer. Are you able to follow? Very simple. Seventeenth problem. Prove that before we did simplify. So simply we made it fry. Now this is prove that. We have to prove. What we have to prove? LHS. By taking LHS, we should get RHS. What is RHS means? 1. This already in your 8th class we had on this problem. Once again repeated, so we are going to do. We are going to take, whenever they ask show that or prove that, we have to take LHS. What is the meaning of LHS? Left hand side. This is left hand side, that is right hand side. We are going to take left hand side and we are going to prove right hand. Answer should come is equal to 1. What is LHS? X to the power of A by x to the power of B whole to the power of A plus B. Dot indicates multiplication into x to the power of B by x to the power of C whole to the power of B plus C into x to the power of C by x to the power of A whole to the power of C plus A. This is the LHS, left hand side. What is inside the bracket we are going to do first. It is in the form of A power M by A power N is equal to A power M minus N. This is the formula we are going to use. This laws of indices. So x to the power of A minus B into x to the power of B minus C, sorry here x to the power of A minus B whole to the power of A plus B also there, don't forget. Next into x to the power of B minus C whole to the power of B plus C into x to the power of C minus A whole to the power of C plus A. Now again it is in which formula? A power M whole power N is equal to A power Mn. What all formulas you are coming across, you have to mention compulsory. Now it is in that formula, that is equal to x to the power of A minus B into A plus B into x to the power of B minus C into B plus C into x to the power of C minus A into C plus A. Now it is in which formula? M plus N into M minus N is equal to M square minus N square. Or otherwise you can write directly A plus B into A minus B, A square minus. Already here A, B came, that's why I changed the alphabet. Already here, so x to the power of A square minus B square into x to the power of B square minus C square into x to the power of C square minus A square. Now again it is in which formula, you know? A power M into A power N into A power P is equal to a to the power of m plus n plus p. Are you able to follow? So this is what all formulas. See how many formulas are coming. Now we are going to add. That is equal to x to the power of a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Are you able to follow? Now plus a square minus a square plus b square minus b square plus c square minus c square, that is equal to x to the power of 0. Nothing is there, all cancelled. 0 is there. Again, which law? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. What? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. With that we did not complete. Where we started? We started near LHS. And where we reach? Is equal to 1. Is equal to 1 means is equal to RHS. They told to prove that. So you have to write this word compulsory. Hence proved. Hence proved word compulsory. We have proved through laws of indices and formulas, algebra formulas. So this is the way of solving this problem. Seventeenth problem. Prove that in the third bit x to the power of a by x to the power of b whole to the power of a plus b minus c into x to the power of b by x to the power of c whole to the power of b plus c minus a into x to the power of c by x to the power of a whole to the power of c plus a minus b is equal to 1. Prove that. So LHS we are taking x to the power of a by x to the power of b whole to the power of a plus b minus c into x to the power of b by x to the power of c whole to the power of b plus c minus a into x to the power of c by x to the power of a whole to the power of c plus a minus b. Now what is inside the bracket we are going to do first. It is in the form of a power m by a power n. Before problem I did know a power m minus n. So x to the power of a minus b. Write that formula. Into a plus b minus c into x to the power of b minus c whole to the power of b plus c minus a into x to the power of c minus a whole to the power of c plus a minus b. Now again it is in the form of a power m whole power n is equal to a power mn, m into n. In the same way x to the power of a minus b into a plus b minus c into x to the power of b minus c into b plus c minus a into x to the power of c minus a into c plus a minus b. Now x to the power of you multiply first time you multiply with a square plus ab minus ac. Next with minus b you multiply minus ba, or you can write minus ab plus into minus b square minus into minus plus bc. Next come to the next one, x to the power of with b you multiply b square plus bc minus ba. With minus you multiply minus bc minus c square plus ab plus ac. Next coming to with c you multiply c square plus ac minus bc with minus a minus ac minus a square plus ab. Now it is in the form of a power m into a power n into a power p, a power m plus n plus p. For every power you add. If you see carefully, plus a square is there. Plus a square, here minus a square, both get cancelled. Plus ab minus ab cancelled. Minus ac and plus ac. Like that if you check and cancel, everything will be cancelled and x to the power of 0 will be left. Cancel everything. If I cancel, you can't understand. That's why I did not cancel. Everything will cancel. And last, x to the power of 0. What is x to the power of means? A to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Mention that one also. Is equal to 1. Where we started LHS, we started, came to RHS. Is equal to 1. RHS, hence proved.